Bonjour. Today we are going to work on the pronoun en. So last time we worked on the pronoun y, where it's a place. En, it's going to be a quantity of something. So I'm going to share my file. So en, pronom en. Okay? Tac. So it's going to be the same concept than last time. When do we use it? How do we recognize how to use it? So we're going to have a clue for that. The sentence we're looking at is going to help us. For example, en, I'm going to start straight like that. En, it's going to be replacing a sentence that starts with du, de la, de L apostrophe, des, and numbers. Okay? Okay? For example, I take some chocolate. Okay? And that's going to be en français. And that can be replaced, watch. Some chocolate can be replaced by I take some of it. I drink. You know what? Let's do drink. Drink. Woo! I drink some chocolate. I drink some of it. Okay? So, of it, some of it is going to be linked to some chocolate. Okay? You know what I did here? In fact, in French, it's going to be way easier. Je bois du chocolat. Chocolat. Okay? Chocolat, that's going to be hot cocoa, right? So I'm going to put that in green. Du chocolat is going to be replaced by oh. And look at that. J'en bois. Done. You see how easy it is? Seriously. That's it. J'en bois. Okay? Another one. I eat 3 apples. Okay? Or I can say, I eat 3 of them. Do you agree with me? Or in French, it's going to be, je mange 3 pommes. Look what I'm going to do. J'en mange 3. Make sure to keep the number, so this way I know how many of them you eat. D'accord? J'en mange 3. Boom. Pam, pam, pam. And that's going to be, I have my number, 3 pommes. And that's going to be replaced by en. Okay? 3 of them. I'm telling you, it's easier in French. And that's pretty much it for that. Okay? So every time you're going to have a sentence would start with du, de la, de L apostrophe, des, or a number, it can be replaced by en. Be careful for something. Je mange une pomme. Okay? That means I eat an apple. Okay? I eat an apple. Well, guess what? He also mean I eat 1 apple. Aha, you know where I'm going here. So now I'm going to say j'en mange une. Okay? So you know what? I'm not going to put the number in green here. I'm going to put that in blue because I want to keep it. Keep it. Keep it and keep it. And that's going to be the same. But I'm going to put that in green because that's going to be replaced by en. Boom, j'en mange une. Okay? So that's it. The pronoun en, super easy here. Okay? So now you're going to be like, what, Sebastian? I feel, oh, also, before to move forward, if I have a negation, what's that going to look like? What's my negation going to look like? Do you have any idea? Well, think about it. I'm going to put my je n'en mange pas une. D'accord? Negation around my verb conjugated. My pronoun is inside. Okay? And that's it. Je n'en mange pas une. I do not eat 1 of them. Okay, so that's it for the pronoun. But we've seen a lot of pronoun now. Previously, we've seen the direct object pronoun, the indirect object pronoun. We've seen the Y pronoun, the en pronoun. What's happened if they are all in the same sentence? Right? Like which order are we going to put them on? So there's a rule for that. The pronouns that are the same in direct and indirect objects, they're going to be first. So that's going to be me, te, nous, vous. Then you put the direct object pronoun. That's going to be le, la, elle, apostrophe, and les. Then it's going to be the indirect object pronoun. It's going to be lui and leur. Then it's going to be the place, y, and then it's going to be en. Okay, so pretty much in the order we learn them, it's going to be the order you're going to see them in a sentence. Okay, so placement des pronoms. And you know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to do a screenshot, I think. So I think that's going to be perfect. It's right here. Puff. And it's going to make my life way easier. Tac. Et voilà. Placement des pronoms. Me, te, ce, nous, vous, le, elle apostrophe, la, les, lui, leur, y, en. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example, bien sûr. D'accord? Je mange des... Wow, ok. Je mange des croissants au restaurant. Okay, so des croissants, that's going to be some, right? So I can put that in red, for example, or orange. And au restaurant, that's going to be a place, right? Okay, do you agree with me? So, des croissants au restaurant, if I go here, des croissants, it starts with des, so that's going to be replaced by, oh, en. Look, I'm going to put en here. Au restaurant, it starts with AU, so that's going to be Y. Okay? So now I need to put that in the right order before the verb. So what's the order? It's Y and then en. D'accord. So, what did we say? Y, J, en, mange. Done. Okay? I just follow my order from my file, and it's as simple as that. J en mange. I eat some of them there. I eat some of them there. Sorry, but it's way easier in French. J'y en mange. Okay? And that's it for the placement. So, par exemple, j'envoie la carte à Sophie à la poste. D'accord? So, la carte, that's going to be direct object. Okay? So I'm going to put that in this color. À Sophie, well, you know what? Let's put a different color. So I'm not confused with this one. I'm going to put yellow. À Sophie, so that's going to be indirect object. It's a person. It starts with A, right? À la poste, that it's a place, and it starts with à la. So that's going to be Y. And that we say we're going to use this blue. Which blue did I use? Maybe this one? Yes, so this one I'm consistent. Okay? So I'm going to do something like that. Pam, pam, pam. La carte is going to be replaced by la. À Sophie is going to be replaced by lui. À la poste is going to be replaced by Y. D'accord? Lui and Y. That's not helping me. Y. Which color? I think it's this one. This one? Yeah, good enough. Yeah, maybe it's not this one. Maybe it's the next one. Okay, bleu. Bleu clair. So now, what's the order for all of that? Well, je, la, lui, y envoie. done. D'accord? I just follow the order. Là, that's correct. Lui, it's after. He, it's after. Envoie. Et voilà, je la lui y envoie. OK? As simple as that. Like really nothing complicated. Just make sure to follow the order. OK? So pronoun are. I use the pronoun are to replace, I'm going to do that this way. I'm going to put that in italic, and I'm going to put that in, which color did I put that? Green. So we're going to do green for that. Boom. OK? I use on to replace du, de la, de, l', apostrophe, des, or a number. OK? And then I have all of my pronoun. What's the order? Me, te, ce, nous, vous. Then le, l', apostrophe, la, les. Then lui, leur. Then y, then en. As you can see, je la lui y envoie. D'accord? Excellent. And to finish that, well, we know that, we've seen that a couple of times, it's going to be the contraction. Contraction avec a et de. D'accord? What does that mean? That means sometime when we have a and de plus an article, we have to do the contraction. Okay? So, for example, a, le, b comme, a, le, b comme o. A, les, b comme o. D'accord? De, le, b comme du. De, les, b comme des. Okay? And that's pretty much it. The other one, they are not going to change. So I'm going to do a screenshot of that. This way we have all of them, but those are the ones that's going to change, okay? I would love to put that here. Why it doesn't matter if it's in one page. Okay? So, contraction avec A et de. Remember, a le, B comme O. A les, B comme O. So, do you want me to cross it like that? I can't say it. Yes, maybe that's better. I can't say that. De le, I cannot say it because it become des. De les, I cannot say it because it become. De le, I cannot say it because it become du. De les, I cannot say it because it become des. Okay? And then, a la stays the same. A l apostrophe stays the same. De la and de l apostrophe stays the same. You can see that here. Okay? I like to move this picture here. Picture format, can I put that around here? Oh, I know, in front of text. Boom, I can put that here. This way I can put that a tiny bit bigger. Perfect, I love it. Okay, but that's it for now. That's it for the lesson. You see, not complicated. Compared to the previous lesson, that's super easy. It's almost like kind of a review, and I like it. Do the exercise that you're going to have with your homework. Make sure you understand. If you have any question, as usual, contact me, and I'm going to be happy to help you with that. But also, make sure to review that. If you have doubt, double check with your book, double check with your lesson, and you should be able to figure out by yourself. If you're really stuck, ask me, and I'm going to help you. Okay? Merci beaucoup, and I'm going to see you next time. Merci, au revoir.